My name is Tanati. My registered number is YORK24AM 077. So today I'll be explaining about the experiment number 10, performance analysis on tree-based classification techniques. So our aim is to demonstrate the performance metrics for the tree-based classification techniques used in data science applications. So, random forest classification algorithm. Random forest is a supervised learning algorithm which is used for classification problems. Random forest algorithm creates decision trees on data samples and then gets the predictions from each of them and finally selects the best solution by means of voting. It is an ensemble method which is better than single decision tree because it reduces the overfitting by average the results. So, working on random forest algorithm, step one is first start with the selection of random samples from a given data set. Step two is next, the algorithm will construct a decision tree for every sample until get the prediction result from every decision tree. Step three, in this step, voting will be performed for every predicted result. Step four, at last, select the most voted prediction result as the final prediction result. Alright, so next is confusion matrix. It is the easiest way to measure the performance of the classification problem, where the output can be of two or more types of classes. Next is classification accuracy. It is the most common performance metrics for classification algorithm. It may be defined as the number of correct predictions made by the ratio for. So the equation for it is TP plus TN accuracy by TP plus FP plus FN plus TN. Okay, next is classification report. This report consists of the scores of precision, recall, F1, and support. Their precision. Precision is used in document retrievals may be defined as the number of correct documents returned by classification. So precision is equal to TP by TP plus FP. Recall or sensitivity recall may be defined as the number of positive return of classification model. It can be calculated from the confusion matrix. Recall is equal to TP by TP plus Fn. Then we have the specificity. Specificity is Tn by Tn plus Vh. Yeah, and next is UAC, area under ROP curve. So UAC is a performance metric based on varying threshold values for classification problems. As name suggests, OC is a probability curve and usually measures the separatability. Okay. The first question is implement the decision tree classification for the given data sets and analyze the performance of the classifier. All right, decision tree classification implementation. So first we import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP, import matplotlib as matplotlib to py clone as PLT. From Sklearn model selection, we import train test split. And from Sklearn preprocessing, we import standard scalar. From Sklearn.tree, we import decision tree classifier portrait. From Sklearn metrics, we import this confusion matrix, classifier, classification reports, accuracy score, and ROC underscore AFC score. Yeah, first we load the data set. We created a variable per path, and we give our path of our data set to that variable. And header names are used. We've given date, product, sales person, work shipped, and amount, country. Data set is equal to we read the CSV file, and we give the header names, and we print the data. Next is select features and target using numeric features to classify products. It's, we have given the data set of boxes shipped and the amounts of values in X and the product values in Y. Next is feature scaling. Scalar is equal to standard scalar. X scale is equal to scalar dot fit transform X. Next, we split the data into testing and training. So we've created X train, X test, Y train, Y test is equal to train underscore test underscore split, and Y scaled, X scaled, Y test size is equal to 0.25, random state is equal to 42. Yeah. Create and train the model. So model is decision tree classifier. So the random state is 0. Model dot fit is we given the X train and Y train, and we make predictions. We give Y PRED is equal to model dot predict X test. So we predict the X test, and Y prob is like model dot predict of prob Z test, X test, and evaluate model performance. Yeah, we have used the confusion metrics. We have printed the confusion metrics, and we have printed the accuracy. We printed both of them. And last is visualization of the decision tree. Here, we've done PLT using Matplotlib. We've given the figure. We use tree, and the feature names are box shipped and the amount. Class names is unique. Everything, all the names must be unique. And title is tree, decision tree classifier, pharmacy or OTC sales data, and we've given ship. So this is our output. This is the output. So the result is the decision tree classification model was successfully implemented using a built-in data set. The classifier achieved an accuracy of around 96%, showing excellent performance and high precision recall balance. Thank you.